Hi friends! Welcome back to Uttara Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Rasam is a clear spicy soup from the southern states of India that's consumed in every traditional lunch meal. We are making pineapple rasam. This is one of the most flavorful rasams and it has a very own unique taste. Heat a pan and add oil. Always try to make rasam with ghee for more flavorful results. Add in mustard seeds, asafoetida, cumin seeds, green chili, black peppercorn, curry leaves, chopped ginger, and saute until raw smell goes away. Now we're going to add the main ingredient, finely chopped pineapples, and mix well. Add in some salt for taste, turmeric powder, saute well on low heat until the pineapples are soft and mushy. Add 1 cup of water and bring it to a boil for about 5 minutes on low heat. Add in tamarind extract and allow it to boil until the raw smell goes away. Here are some tips to prepare delicious rasam. Tip number 1. Prepare rasam using ghee instead of oil. Tip number 2. Do not boil rasam too much after adding rasam spice blend. Tip 3. Cover rasam immediately after switching off the flame. Tip number 4. Garnish with lots of freshly chopped cilantro. Add in cooked and mashed tur dal. Also add in some rasam spice blend, top with cilantro, and when the rasam is about to boil or raises frothy, switch off the flame and cover immediately. Transfer to a serving dish and garnish with some more cilantro and a teaspoon of ghee. Enjoy this delicious and flavorful rasam with steaming hot rice and your favorite vegetables and appalam, of course. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, And don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!